no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to.
There's like makeup all over my sweater. Assalamu guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this super bold look. Before I start, I wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year. This is going to be my first 2020 video, so I decided to go with this really bold look and try something different and add some rhinestones to the bottom of my lash line. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to be using the new ABH palette. This palette has so many bold colors. I had a lot of fun creating this look. It's something that I don't normally go for, but it's always fun to play around with makeup. With that being said, let's just get straight into the video.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
Before I continue with this video, I want to thank our sponsor, High Spirit, for sponsoring this video. They are a backpack company that designed their backpacks to prevent pickpocketing when you're traveling. I've been using this backpack since November, and I have to say I love it. I now use it on a daily basis to carry my camera equipment. It's so spacious. It fits my laptop, camera, drones, and so much more. The quality is amazing. The one I have is called Midnight Ostrich, and it's waterproof. They're made in London. I can see myself using this bag for a long time, especially for future travels. I do have a discount code for you guys. You can use the code SIMA20 to get 20% off your entire purchase. With that being said, let's get back into the video.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. like you used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past.